Hello, in front of me I got Suzuki SX4 S-Cross. In this video I'll show you how to start navigation route. To start navigation route, let's go to map and go to menu. Now you can start navigation route by address, postcode, name, 3 words, history, categories, POIs nearby, coordinates, favorite, and home. Let's stick to the classics. Select address. Now enter city. Select your city and now enter street. Tap go there and it's set. To stop navigation route, tap menu and delete route. Confirm and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.